Hey there, food lovers! Today, we're going to explore a delicious and versatile dish that originates from South Korea, bibimbap. This mouth-watering meal is a perfect blend of rice, vegetables, and a variety of toppings, making it a great choice for a hearty meal. So, let's dive right in and learn how to make this scrumptious dish. Bibimbap is a Korean rice dish that literally translates to mixed rice. It's a fantastic way to use up leftovers, and it's a great dish to serve when you have a variety of ingredients on hand. The key to making the perfect bibimbap is to use a hot stone bowl, which helps to cook the rice and vegetables evenly. To start, you'll need a bowl of rice, which you'll want to keep warm. Then, it's time to add your choice of vegetables. You can use any vegetables you have on hand, such as spinach, mushrooms, zucchini, carrots, or cucumbers. Once you've added your veggies, it's time to add your protein. You can use beef, pork, or chicken, or you can even go meatless and use tofu instead. Next, it's time to add the sauce. You can use a variety of sauces, such as gochujang, soy sauce, or even a simple mixture of salt and pepper. Once you've added your sauce, it's time to mix everything together. Use your chopsticks or a spoon to mix everything up, and then place the bowl on a hot stone bowl. The hot stone bowl will help to cook the rice and vegetables evenly, giving the dish a crispy texture. Once the rice is cooked, it's time to enjoy your delicious bibimbap. Bibimbap is a versatile dish that can be customized to your liking. You can use any vegetables you have on hand, and you can even mix and match different proteins. It's a great way to use up leftovers and create a satisfying meal. Thank you for joining me today as we explored the delicious and versatile dish of bibimbap. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and that you'll give it a try at home. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!